magic cube puzzle, invented in 1974, acquired its current name only 10 years after the date, in the early 80s. Rubik's Cube. That's how we know it today. Although children call it sometimes as a speed cube. It seems that Rubik's Cube is one of the most difficult puzzles. It's easier to glue colored stickers than to solve this puzzle. By the way, many of us did so in childhood. It is believed that Rubik's Cube is the best-selling toy. 350 million of such puzzles have been sold worldwide. And it's even strange that most of their owners today can solve confidently only one side at best. But some easily cope with all its sides, and very quickly. Count the time. It looks like a time lapse. No, the video has usual speed. This is a sport. It's called Speedcubing, solving the puzzle as fast as possible. And people use either both hands for this, or only one. Well, what's the record in Rubik's Cube solving?
The record is 5.25 seconds. The person who solved the puzzle did that very quickly, and very few people can compete with him.
But on average, how long does it take?
I think about 10 seconds. Actually, this is an average result in Russia, maybe even in the world.
Each side of a classic Rubik's Cube has 9 stickers. In the language of professional speedcubers, by the way, they are also called stickers, and moving parts are called layers. The models for speedcubing are slightly different from usual ones. The core mechanism, which the layers are attached to, has screws for adjusting the smoothness of rotation. And to reduce friction, silicone grease is additionally applied to the moving parts. What disciplines are there? Well, here is solving with both hands. What else?
Solving with feet, a rather unusual discipline. While solving Rubik's Cube underwater, it's not officially recognized.
But perhaps the most effective method is solving the Rubik's Cube blindfolded. But how is this possible? To assemble the Rubik's puzzle, speedcubers use algorithms. This is a set of combinations fixed with the language of rotation. In it, the sides of the cube and the turns of the moving parts are marked with Latin letters. Most professional speedcubers use the system of an American mathematician, Herbert Kosiemba. In 1992, using a computer program, he developed a method that allows you to solve a cube from any position in 20 moves on average. A trained person might need several seconds. By the way, the creator of the puzzle, Emo Rubik, struggled with the cube for over a month. There was no algorithm yet. Therefore, the inventor, like most beginners, solved the puzzle by trial and error. Is there only one way to solve the cube, or several ways?
There is a huge number of options, and I can tell you that there is never the same option. There are a lot of different combinations and so on, and even if you study them for years, you will never learn them completely.
For competitions, standard cubes are usually used, 3 by 3 by 3 elements. But there are also larger models. One of the biggest is a 10 by 10 element cube. What other variants of Rubik's Cube? It turns out that there are a lot of them. It's even strange that such an old puzzle still has its fans and fan clubs. But apparently, there's nothing new invented which could be more entertaining for the hands and the brain.